As we know, one of Excel's strengths is its simple yet powerful formulae. These formulas may be as simple as adding two cells or adding a range of cells using the sum formula. Other simple formulas include finding an average of a range of cells, finding maximum or minimum values from a range of cells, checking for conditions, and determining the result based on that can be done using if. These are just a few examples. Formulas can also be combined to form advanced calculations and analysis. Cell referencing is a crucial concept in Excel as it allows you to refer to the contents of a cell in your formulas and functions. There are two main types of cell referencing in Excel: relative referencing and absolute referencing. When using a relative referencing in a formula, the reference adjusts when you copy the formula to another cell. For example, if you have a formula in cell B2 as equals A1 plus A2, and you copy it to cell B3, it automatically becomes equals A2 plus A3. Absolute referencing means that the cell reference does not change when you copy the formula to another cell. To make a reference absolute, one puts the $ before the column letter, row number, or both. For example, if you have a formula in cell B2 as equals $A$1 plus $A$2, and you copy it to cell B3, it remains equals $A$1 plus $A$2. One can also have mixed referencing, which involves fixing either the column or row while allowing the other to adjust. Cross-sheet referencing in Excel involves referring to cells or ranges of cells that exist on a different sheet within the same workbook. This is useful when you want to perform calculations or use data from one sheet in another sheet. If you want to refer to cell A1 on sheet 2 in a formula on sheet 1, we can do so by equals sheet 2, A1. If you want to sum the values in column B on sheet 2 from row 1 to 10 on sheet 1, this can be done by equals sum sheet 2, B1, B10. Assume you named the range A1, A10 on sheet 2 as expenses. On sheet 1, you can use equals sum sheet 2 expenses. Cross-workbook referencing in Excel involves referring to cells or ranges located in different Excel workbooks. This can be useful when you want to consolidate data from multiple workbooks or create formulas that involve data stored in separate files. For example, equals mysupportwkbk.xlsx sheet 1, A1, links the cell A1 in sheet 1 of my support workbook to the current workbook. While cross-referencing workbooks in Excel is a useful feature, there are certain limitations and considerations to be aware of. The workbook containing the external reference depends on the presence and location of the referenced workbook. If the referenced workbook is moved, renamed, or deleted, it can break the external references. Excel may prompt users with security warnings when opening a workbook with external references, especially if the external workbook contains macros or is from an untrusted source. Cross-referencing with external workbooks can increase calculation time, especially if there are many complex formulas or large datasets involved. This can impact the performance of the workbook. VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is a programming language developed by Microsoft. It is primarily used for automation of repetitive tasks and the development of customized applications within Microsoft Office applications, such as Excel, Word, Outlook, and Access. VBA allows users to write macros and automate processes to enhance the functionality of Microsoft Office programs. Microsoft provides official documentation for VBA, including language reference and guides. Various online platforms offer tutorials and courses for learning VBA, from beginner to advanced levels. VBA is a powerful tool for users who want to enhance their productivity, automate tasks, and create customized solutions within Microsoft Office applications. Learning VBA opens up a world of possibilities for tailoring Office programs to specific needs and improving overall efficiency. Excel provides a variety of formatting features that allow users to customize the appearance of cells, ranges, and entire worksheets. These formatting options enhance the visual appeal of data, make it easier to read, and help communicate information effectively. Font formatting like bold, italics, underline, font color, font size, and style are some of the basic formatting options available. Cells can have various number formats like currency, percentage, date, etc. Conditional formatting allows you to apply color scales to highlight variations in data based on cell values. A cell styles gallery provides predefined cell styles that include various combinations of font, fill, and border formatting. Worksheet formatting allows you to adjust the width and height of columns and rows. Cells as well as worksheets can be protected. These formatting features can be accessed through the ribbon at the top of the Excel window. They provide users with a range of options to make their data visually appealing, easy to interpret, and suitable for various reporting needs. Creating drop-down lists in Excel is a useful feature that allows users to select a value from a predefined list. Data validation is a feature that allows you to control the type and format of data being entered into a cell or range of cells. Drop-down lists and data validation can help in data entry, ensure accuracy and consistency, reducing input errors.